Next, I'll be presenting on goal number 4, KPI 6, number of actual incorrect blood component transfusion (IBCT) error. Prerequisite of implementation. First, you need to make sure the relevant guideline and forms on the implementation of transfusion safety program is available, and you need to implement and conduct promotion, awareness, training, orientation, and monitoring program for transfusion safety. This is the definition for incorrect blood component transfuse (IBCT). For actual incorrect blood component transfuse, it is an episode where the patient was transfused with a blood component or plasma product which did not meet the appropriate requirement or which was intended for another patient. For the near miss incorrect blood component transfuse, the error is detected before it is being transfused to the patient. For monitoring of the target in KPI number 6, the inclusion criteria is all near-miss IBCT and actual IBCT that occur during the request for blood and blood component intended for transfusion. For exclusion criteria, non-ABO/RH specific blood or blood component given to patient in situations such as RH positive red cell transfusion to RH negative patient in emergency situation, RH positive components such as fresh frozen plasma, cryoprecipitate, platelets transfused to RH negative patient, Group O red cell transfusion to a non-Group O patient in an emergency situation, Group A and Group B red cells and components transfused to Group AB patient either in the absence of Group AB blood or blood component or as a planned transfusion, specific component for neonatal transfusion such as Group A packed cell or AB plasma as planned transfusion, urgent transfusion of red cell for patient with rare blood group. Other incidents that is excluded such as sharing the same ID, possible blood grouping error in another hospital or clinic, error in the previous admission. This is the details on KPI 6. The number that should be reported is the total number of actual incorrect blood component transfusion error and the number of near-miss incorrect blood component transfuse error. And the target is 0 cases of actual incorrect blood component transfusion error, and data be collected monthly, and it is applicable for hospital and medical institution that treats patient. Again, this is the example of how you fill in the data in Mpsg 2.0 for goal number 4, transfusion safety.